Rumors of withdrawal spark online confusion over the weekend. Agago County's political scene was stirred by circulating rumors suggesting that one of the leading aspirants of Member of Parliament might have withdrawn from the race. And this is none other than Winnie Okidi contesting for direct elected Member of Parliament for Agago County. The speculation stemmed from a series of WhatsApp exchanges between two well-known figures after one noticed what appeared to be a personal political conversation mistakenly posted on the other's WhatsApp status. The messages caused confusion among supporters and political observers, with some interpreting them as signs of internal disagreements or decision to quit the contest. In the exchange, the individual whose name appeared in the alleged status denied ever posting it and raised concerns that someone might have gained unauthorized access to their account. In other words, hacking the account, saying, unless someone is hacking my number. The rumor quickly spread across social media platforms, igniting debate about the future of the candidate's campaign and possible shifts in Agago County's political landscape ahead of the 2026 general elections. In response to the growing speculation, the candidate at the center of the rumors, Winnie Okidi, released a short video message to set the record straight. In the clip, she firmly distanced herself from the circulating claims, calling them false and misleading. Okidi clarified that she has not withdrawn and remains fully committed to the Agago County MP race, emphasizing her dedication to serving our people and continuing her campaign activities. She urged the public to ignore the rumors and instead focus on her message of leadership, which she says unity and progress. I want to assure everyone that I am still in the race. Do not be misled by false information being spread around, she stated confidently in the video. Her response has since calmed supporters and reaffirmed her presence in the political contest, while also highlighting how easily misinformation can spread in the digital era.
People power, our power, people power. NUP everywhere and everywhere NUP. Mutua anata mna kata gam kong log mete won ma do another immediate houses ma pat ma giti ya choice sub region log me le wi to log me chui ma dien ma da ma log enoni kita anani anker ki bod media houses ma pat log ki bod won wa dano ma dit professor Maurice Ogenga Latigo ma ben la wo an log kero ti no pa ngi no kero gini status ma mege kun waji ni an ko bedi da we ko chume Agago County o ki job mo kenne amer wo ju ka ju ni an pa we o chumo dok be la wo log ki professor was chatting, we are sharing that chat ki professor both media houses madung kwara wachi gini an pa we o chu an froti chu an pa stepping down piende wa ni men ko an ki mi achini million mer anga no maron we la pere ka Acholi, and I have come to go to parliament and I will go to parliament. So don't ngaro po be ka log tata donc dan ma char professor ma char dan ma dit ko meno. It is very bad professor in me kata mi chako keto gin mako men wa status ni mako ampe penya inia manyo ne mala wo tien wa chatting one queer ni no di kero gin status de pienda ma duongi te share. It is very unfortunate state de gin professor pien gin ma in kero ko men raj ma no pe ni angino mo ki bora no mier ke penya ko ni ang man wo chatting one queer wo ni I cannot let my father the leader now down. I have come to contest and I'm going to contest on no ticket. So log ma in kerni an ko be da stepping down kun pa watch na stepping down. I am disassociating myself from it that what we want to ngai ni anati ba wan jing barja wa chao campaign ma mek wa ma lupeki check manyo or map.
As campaigns heat up across the region, Okidi's swift clarification serves as a reminder of the importance of verifying information before sharing it online.